Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by today as we continue with our case study for our MMR product creation for early retirement. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I am actually customizing my MMR product. Right now I'm doing the Faceless Reel Guide. I just put in my own pic, and I actually generated this picture from AI, Lexica AI, and I added it to the first page of the book, and I'm going to kind of like make this my theme. It's going to probably be a woman in a different color suit for each product. I just wanted to have like something different, but have it a theme all the way across. As far as the front page, and as we go into the other page, all these pages here are images are generated through my Instagram. My AI program that I bought, that I use. So it gives me the right to use this. I do believe that when you buy these products, make sure that you read the guide, because the guide is just not a regular guide or just something you just give it to someone. This is going to help you build your business. So read through it, go over it. Also, for each section, let's say for instance right here, I read it, but I also wind up rewriting it. So right here is that I will click on this here. You don't mind showing up a little. I'll go to Magic Write and put rewrite, and it'll change it. Don't mind arriving a bit early. That's not what I want. So let's rewrite it again. I'm okay with getting there a little early. None of these really fit what I'm looking for, so I'm going to go back. You don't mind showing up a little. Or let's say you don't mind showing your face. Okay. And right here it states, maybe you don't mind showing your face every now and then, but you get anxious or overwhelmed at the thought of having to dance in front of strangers daily. Don't think that makes any sense to me. My idea of what I would put was that the reason why you want to stay private is because sometimes you don't want your face attached to a brand. And I see other people coming on here and be like, oh, you got to show your face. No, you don't have to do anything you don't want to do. There's people that is, overly successful and don't show their face, and they're able to go places without being bombarded, or without others knowing how much you're making, like people close to you or things like that. You don't mind sharing it to the people that are following you, because that is your community. So you want to share with people that are following you so that they can see the results and see that what you're doing is working. But when you start attaching your face, at least for me, I don't want to attach my face to things, because you just don't know, with everything that goes on in the world, how things can happen. So that's just my opinion. If you want to show your face and do your brand, I applaud you. I think it's great. I think it's awesome. Only thing I tell you is don't let someone tell you that what you're doing is wrong, unless you're doing something illegal, okay? Other than that. But anyway, so basically this statement here I really don't like. So I am thinking about changing this. Maybe you don't want to show your face every now and then. You know what? Let's see if we can do a rewrite and see what we can get. Perhaps you're okay with being seen occasionally, but the idea of... So we're going to take this dancing part out. the idea of strangers looking at you every day makes you feel anxious or overwhelmed. Completely understand. Finding a balance is possible, and this guide will demonstrate how to achieve it. Boom. So now I have rewritten all of my statements, so it kind of like fits my brand, okay? And so that's all I want to show you for this section of the video, okay? Guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my home office productivity guide as well as bonus planner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Eliboto Roulé. See you on the next video.